Hey, welcome to my YouTube video, and today in this video I am going to share with you basically how do you get, I don't know if you can see in here what I have in my hand, laundry offer on the cruise. So basically we're gonna go to the steps that you get to get your clothes washed on the cruise. So the process is simple. You go to your wardrobe, you open the door, you're gonna find this slip. Let me see if I can switch the camera, switch in here and use this bag that you see in here. And with the bag, you're gonna use the take off the bag, fill up with your dirty clothes in this bag. So as you fill it up with your dirty clothes, you're gonna have to, the price as you can see in here is £14 per bag. £14 for this bag, and all you're gonna need to do is just fill it up, all the type of clothes that you're gonna put it in. For example, t-shirt, so press and wash. T-shirt, shirts, blouses, evening dress, shirts, so everything is gonna go there. Everything's gonna go there, and then you're gonna put everything's just gonna go there. And as you fill it up, and then it's just come up the quantity, how much you're going to pay for this. That is interesting because you get to see exactly how much you're gonna spend on this, which is amazing and simple process that you can get your clothes there washed on the cruise, on the go, so you don't need to take your dirty clothes back home. Fantastic. And let's see how big is the bag. Well, reasonable size as you can see. So you just fill it up as much as you can, and it's written almost in all the language possible. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm just count down everything. 6 pair of socks, 1 shirt, 7 pairs, and shirts. Cool. Shirts, 2 shirts. So yeah, as you can see, it's all filled up and what to take. I guess that's the right place to fill it up, because in this one you get to pay extra, depend maybe if you want some different service. Cool, fantastic, it's the way to go. Thanks. Cool. Once you get it done, you put the bag, anything on the top of your bed. So when you come to do your bed, and then they're just gonna take it. And the other things to remind you is, of course, they're gonna put in here this note on the door: tied my room. Fantastic, so that they know that they're gonna take the clothes to wash, and we'll be back today by 7 o'clock. Absolutely amazing. Well, here is after receive the bag, the clothes come all well organized and looks good, washed and folded. So that's the way you get your clothes back. Fantastic. Hope that helps, and so that you know now how you can get your clothes washed and folded on the cruise. This video was helpful, and so that you get to know now exactly how you're gonna do to get your clothes washed on the cruise. Yeah, here's my cabin, as you can see from behind me, and in front of me there's the door, there's the bag, and that is the bed. Yes, everything seems, and a quick tour so you get to see the TV, and the other side behind me is this mirror from, no, it's there, and there's the toilet. in there. Yes, big enough. Fantastic. Yes, so now you know, please, if you like this video, please leave your comment and subscribe if that helped. Thank you.